Shorker and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share some of my tricks on how I groom my eyebrows at home. Yes, at home. As we all know, in this situation you can't go to the parlor, but don't worry, I'm here to help you guys out. So without any further ado, let's get started.
For this we will need a scissor, a twitcher, thread, and last but not the least, powder. We'll start by applying powder. Then we will make a knot. And you have to twist it twice or thrice. And you have to go to the opposite direction of your eyebrows. You can groom your upper lips too by following these steps.
So here's the final look as you can see, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload any video. Till then, take care and bye, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video.